Welcome to Ceylon Robotics. Today you are going to learn about breadboards. First there are three types of breadboards: full size, half size, and mini size. So, uh, these are the breadboards. First, we talk about what is a breadboard. Actually, this is a fundamental tool that is used in electronics for prototyping and building circuits. So this kind of prototyping board or solderless board, we are calling it as prototyping boards or solderless board. Commonly, we are using breadboard. It is a plastic rectangular shaped board. So there are different colors as well. In mini size breadboards, there are different colors. You can see like that. And it is called a breadboard because in the past, wooden breadboards were used to build early electronic circuits. That is why we are calling it as a breadboard. So let's talk about the uses of breadboard. What are the uses of breadboard? Mainly for the circuit prototyping, we are using breadboards, commonly used for quickly prototyping and testing electronic circuits without need of permanent soldering. In this case, you can use this kind of breadboards for the experiments and to make changes easily in your circuits, and it facilitate the design and development process as well. So, and also in education and learning purposes also, we are using breadboard to learn about circuits, how to connect those circuits, and how to work with electronic components. So that kind of purposes also we are using this kind of breadboard. And temporary also we are using breadboards for testing components and sensors and modules before we solder that kind of components. So that is about the breadboard. So now let's talk about the connection of the breadboards. When we consider the full-size breadboard, here these are connected series way, and you can see in the middle there are no any connectionless. These are connected as a wire here in this direction, and positive and minus, these are connected like this way. But after this one, these are connected again like this way. There is no any connection here. These are not connected each other. It's like a two half-size breadboards. That is why it's look like. And this one also like that way connected in this direction. Again, plus and minus connected seriously. These holes are connected parallelly. So it's looked like a wire inside the holes. These are connected like this way, this way. But there is no connection in between these two. Here also there is no connection in between. In the rail, there is a rail here, so you can find it easily. So that is what about full-size breadboard. Let's go to the half-size breadboard. When we go to the half-size breadboard, here this seriously is connected in this direction. All holes are like a wire. These are connected like a wire. and parallelly connected these holes so that these are connected in this direction like this way. Here also same as the full size breadboard, but the difference is these are connected like this way. So in the here also connected like this way. When we consider about the mini size breadboard, you can see there are no plus minus areas in this mini breadboard. So these are connected parallelly, and we can see the connection like this way. These are connected in this way. So that is how connections in the three types of breadboards. And usually we are connected components in this area, in the middle part of the breadboards. And the plus VCC and ground are connected to, I'll show in this area. We are connecting the VCC and the power supply and the grounds into this area. Components are connected in this area. If you are going to connect a LED into a breadboard, you can connect it like this way. This is the correct way, but you can't connect it in this way. This is wrong. This is wrong because plus and minus are connected to each other. So it is wrong. If you are connecting a LED into this part, so you can connect it like this way. This is okay. But you can't connect it like this way because these are connected each other. So that means these are connected and we can't identify the plus and minus. So it will make a short circuit. So that is wrong. When you consider about the ICs, it is important to think about IC connections because you can't connect the IC in this way. It's because if you are connecting IC like this way, these holes are connected each other. But there are specific pins for in the ICs, specific pins. In that case, you can't connect like this way. So that means it will give you a error or else it will give you a wrong result. So output will be wrong. So we can't connect in this way. So this is how we are connecting a IC into a breadboard because there are no connection in between this one and this one. So this is how you are connecting a IC into a breadboard. You can't connect a IC here because the space is big. So in that case, you can't connect a IC in here. So this is how you should connect a IC into a breadboard. So that is about the breadboards. I think you have learned about the breadboard and how to connect components into a breadboard as well. So that's that's about the breadboard. We will meet in next videos.